Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. If you're not following me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, link it, you need to do so now. Same name, Lennox Bennett. Alright, so we looking at some functions and it says f of x is equal to x squared minus x plus 1. Pause the video and try it and leave it in the comment section. Let's see if you guys get it correct. Alright, so we have x squared. So what we're going to do is just replace x with -1 wherever we see it, right? Now, -1 squared is +1. Once a number is squared, is positive. Negative times negative, positive. So, our answer would be 3. Let's look at another one. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright, so this one says g of x is equal to 2x minus 3, and we're asked to find g, -3. So anywhere we see x, we're going to replace it with -3. So it's 2 multiplied by -3 minus 3. And of course, we expand the bracket. 2 times -3, that's -6. So our answer is -9. Let's look at a composite function. Will you guys be able to get that one? Let's go. Alright, so we are given f of x is equal to 3x minus 5, g of x is equal to 2x plus 1, and they ask us to find gf of x. Pause the video again, guys. Try it. Tell me what you get for the answer. Alright, according to the rule, we are supposed to write back the last function, which is x, f. So we write back all of f, and then we write back g in terms. So g says 2x plus 1. So all we have to do now is just expand the bracket. 2 times 3, that's 6. 2 times -5, that's -10, plus 1. All we have to do is simplify this. Now the 10 is bigger, so we get -9. And that would be our answer. 6x minus 9. Let's look at another aspect of it. Alright guys, so we are asked to find fg -1. So what we're going to do is find the composite function and then put -1 wherever x is. Let's go. Same rule. The rule says that we write back g first, which is 2x plus 1. Put that in bracket. And then we write back f without the x. So it's 3x minus 5. Expand your bracket. 3 times 2, that's 6. 3 times 1, 3. And we'll put our -5. Simplify this part and we get 6x minus 2. The 5 is bigger. But remember, we are not finished. We are supposed to put -1 wherever x is. -6 times that. -6 times +6 times -1 give you -6. So our answer is -8. So notice when you put a number, you actually get out a number. That's the output. Let's look at an inverse. Alright guys, so let's look at the inverse of f. So given f of x is equal to 3x minus 8 over 7, and we're asked to find the inverse of f. So what we're going to be doing is just finding the opposite of whatever is happening. So the first step, we change the function to y. And then next, we interchange x for y and y for x. So where x is, we put y. Where y is, we put x. And then from here, we solve for y. So we're going to get rid of this 7. Now we are dividing by 7, so we multiply by 7. So we multiply both sides by the 7. So you see, get rid of the 7. So now we are left with this. 7x is equal to 3y minus 8. Now remember, we want to get y by itself, so we take the opposite of -8, which is +8. Anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. So we're left with this now, 3y. And for the final step, we divide by 3, since we are multiplying. So long and short of it, the f of inverse is equal to 7x plus 8 divided by 3. And that would be our answer. Like the video, guys. Share the video. Let's go. Let's look at a different aspect of it all. let's say we are given g of x is equal to 6x plus 3 and we are asked to find the inverse of g, and then you put 2 in the function. So naturally we find the inverse first. So let's find the inverse. So we change the function to y. Next we interchange x for y and y for x, and then we solve for y. So we get rid of this plus 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. Next, we have x minus 3 equals 6y. So y is being multiplied, so we divide by 6. So the inverse of g works out to this. X minus 3 over 6. But we are not finished. We are supposed to put 2 where x is now. So what we do, we put 2 minus 3 over 6. And of course, this gives us negative 1 over 6. And that would be our answer. Alright, for those who want to be a part of my awesome maths marathon, this is the number. Let's look at another aspect of it, guys. Thanks for watching the video so far. Let's see if we can show you guys some more aspect of it. Alright, then let's put it here. Alright, let's say they give you to find the inverse of a composite function. Very easy. So we have f of x is equal to 4x minus 3, g of x is equal to 6x minus 5. Find gf inverse of x. Very easy, as I said before. So what we do, we find the composite first. So we write back all of f, which is 4x minus 3. And then we can find the inverse of the result. 6 times 4, 24x. 6 times negative 3, that's negative 18, minus 5. So long and short of it, it will be 24x. All of these are negative, so we can add them. That will give us negative 23. And that would be the GF. So all we have to do now, find the inverse of this. So we change the function to y. So we have 24x minus 23. Interchange x for y and y for x. So that's 24y minus 23. Get rid of this minus 23 by adding 23 to both sides. So it will be x plus 23 equal 24y. And then for the final step, we divide by 24. So the inverse of gf of x is equal to x plus 23 divided by 24, and that would be our answer. Like the video, guys. Like the video if you appreciate what I'm doing. Alright guys, let's look at another one. Another aspect of it. It says f of x is equal to 4x minus 3, g of x is equal to 6x minus 5. Find fg and then put 2 in the function. So what we're going to do the composite, find the inverse, and then plug 2. Alright, so we're at the last function, which is 6x minus 5. That goes in the bracket, and then we have f, which is 4x minus 3. We have done that earlier in the video. 4, 6, 24x. 4 times negative 5, negative 20 minus 3. Long and short of it, this works out to 24x minus 23. That's fg. We could find the inverse of this now. So we change the function to y. So it's 24x minus 23. Interchange x for y and y for x. So that's 24y minus 3. Solving for y now. Why am I have 3 alone here? So this is supposed to be 23. We add 23 to both sides. So we have x plus 23 equal 24y. And then we simply divide by 24. So long and short of it, this is supposed to work out to x plus 23. Now we're going to plug 2 in this. So let's write back this, which is x plus 23 over 24. Because we're supposed to substitute 2, we put 2 plus 23 over 24, which would work out to 25 over 24. For those who want to be a part of my awesome online class, this is the number. Alright, I'll explain it to my out. Thanks for watching to the end, guys. Thanks for watching to the end. I'm out.